Learning with Miss Literacy, the singing reading librarian. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The Children's Department at the Colleton County Memorial Library presents So You Want to Be Like Me, Chef. Hello, and welcome to So You Want to Be Like Me series. I am Miss Shiela, your singer, storyteller, author, trainer, YouTuber, and children's librarian. And I know you're going to have a lot of fun with the child guest today. His name is Mason Scott. Let's see what this 6-year-old has to ask our guest chefs, Tal and Jamie Glover. Sit back and listen, boys and girls.
My name is Mason Scott and I want to be a chef.
Here are a few fun facts about Mason.
I like to play video games. I like to play basketball. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite subject is math. My favorite color is blue.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Tal.
My name is Jamie.
And we are chefs at the Colleton County Museum.
Here's our first fun fact. The average American spends $7,852 on food compared to $1,700 on clothes every year.
Do you love your job?
Well, Mason, we love our jobs.
We get to meet new people and make them happy with our food. We love that.
What do I need to do to be a chef?
So Mason, here's what you need to do to become a chef.
You have to attend culinary school for 4 to 6 years, apprentice at a great restaurant, acquire a ServSafe certification, and you must be certified by DHEC.
Here's a fun fact. Raspberries, cherries, apricots, plums, pears, apples, quinces, peaches, strawberries, and blackberries are members of the rose family.
What character traits do I need to be a chef?
These are the character traits you need to be a great chef, Mason. Confidence, creativity,
Time management and patience.
Here's another fun fact. Being a chef means you can determine your work hours and you get to spend time with the people you work with. Pretty cool.
And by all means,
stay aware of current trends, and remain confident and friendly, and be open to suggestions.
and being a chef means you start early, stay late, shop, serve, wash dishes, clean, and create menus.
Here's another fun fact. Pound cake is called pound cake because there was a pound of every ingredient in the original recipe. Pretty neat, huh?
What do you do during a day of a chef?
We'll give you 5 things that we do on a daily basis. We plan menus, we shop for supplies and food,
We prep food, cook and prepare food, serve and design food and menus.
Here's another fun fact. The average salary of a chef in the United States is $47,500 per year. It could be more depending on where you go.
What are the top 3 things you enjoy about your job?
Mason, that's a great question. Here are the top 3 things that we enjoy doing about doing our job. Making new dishes and menus, seeing people smile,
And interacting with our customers. Of those 3 things, Mason, my favorite is creating and designing new recipes. I've always enjoyed trying new things, and I'd like to design according to what new vegetables or ingredients are available.
Well, Mason, of those 3 things, my favorite is customer service. We see all kinds of people all the time, and it's great to see them come in and talk about where they're from and how they got here and what brings them in to see us.
Here's another fun fact. Cucumbers are 96% water, which means it is a good substitute for water. Yay!
How many hours a day you put in as a chef?
As a chef, we put in from 8 to 12 hours depending on the workload or job request.
Here's another fun fact. You can make sure your cranberries are still good by throwing them on the counter and seeing if they bounce back to you.
How many years have you done this?
Well, Mason, we've been doing this for a long time. We've been cooking with our families, we've been cooking at outings, but working professionally as chefs, we've been doing it for a total of 3 years. And we've had a lot of success, and we've made a lot of mistakes, but we enjoy doing it so much that we just continued.
If you could make more money, would you leave this job?
Well, Mason, the answer to that question would be no. We actually love working for ourselves and spending time together, and additionally, just being more creative and working with our customers.
Here's another fun fact. Magarocophobia is the fear of cooking. While it sounds scary, it's fairly common. Didn't know that.
One last question. What is your information? One last question. What is your information? One last question. What is your inspiration?
Cooking is a long-standing tradition in our family. My greatest inspiration was my dad, Tal Sr.
Well, here's our final fun fact. Popsicles were invented by 11-year-old Frank Epperson when he left a mixture of powdered soda, water, and a mixing stick out overnight in freezing temperatures. Well, I hope you had fun learning from the Glovers and Mason today. This concludes So You Want to Be Like Me, Chef. Don't forget to come to the library or scan and check out all of these to learn more about being a chef. We have books, you can check out the YouTube channel and DVDs at the library. And we are sure you're going to be the best chef, or at least one of them, that this country or world has ever seen. So, a special thanks to all of the people who made this video a success. Tal Glover, Jamie Glover, Mason Scott, L. Florence Oliver, Sue West, and yours truly, your children's librarian, Sheila Kears. This concludes So You Want to Be Like Me, Chef. Don't worry, we have another one coming up soon, so stay tuned. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.